Okay, this is reading for today. We're going to be doing page 121 all together. But page 120, I'm just going to give you some directions, and then I'm going to ask you to finish it on your own. So, final syllable, ul. Write the 2 syllables that make up each word on the lines. So, giggle, giggle. I need you to separate this by syllables. So the first part of that word is gig. That is 1 syllable. And then gull is the 2nd syllable. Middle. The same kind of thing. Mid. And then dole. Okay. So just clap out the syllables and then write 2 parts of the word on each part of line. Towards the bottom, you choose the word in the box. Actually, let me make sure I read all these words so you know how to say them. Title, needle, marble, eagle, bubble, saddle, candle, turtle. Now, at the bottom, choose the word in the box that matches each picture. Write the word on the line, then draw a line to divide it into syllables. So the first one that we have, these are cows, and there's more than one, so we call that cattle. And the second part of the directions say draw a line to divide the syllables. So we need to draw a line right there, cattle. So this word is, this one right here, this is poodle, table, rattle, puzzle. Okay, make sure you spell them right. They're right there at the top. You can either pause or come back to this. It's up to you. But I'm going to do compare and contrast for you. We've talked about this a little bit. Compare by telling how 2 or more things are alike or different. Contrast is telling only how 2 or more things are different. And I just want to focus on how compare is alike and contrast is different. Read the following story. Ron and Blake wanted a puppy, but Dad always said a dog is hard work. One day, Dad surprised them. He said, if you 2 can find a solution to the puppy care problem, we'll visit a breeder tomorrow. Ron and Blake thought fast. Dogs need exercise, said Ron. I'll take our puppy for walks. Dogs need love, said Blake. I'll pet our puppy. Dogs make a mess, said Ron, but I won't mind cleaning up after our puppy. Good, smiled Blake, and I'll feed it and keep its water dish filled. You boys have a good plan, Dad agreed. Tomorrow we'll get our new pup. If only it were that easy to talk parents into getting puppies, right? So we're going to fill in the chart to compare and contrast Ron and Blake. So Ron wants a puppy. And Blake wants a puppy. And I want to draw a line right here. The top is going to be ways that we're comparing and saying how they are the same. And the bottom is how they are different, or how we are contrasting. Another way that they are the same, this whole story is about Blake will do this, Ron will do this, and they're going to do their part. So they're both going to help care for a puppy. So will help care for and I'm going to say pup because I'm running out of room. And I'm going to put that also on Blake's. Will both help care for a pup. All right, I ran out of room. Now, the things they offered to do to care for the puppy were different. So those are going to be on the bottom for contrasting. Ron said what? Let's go back to the text. Ron said he will clean up after the puppy. And Blake will feed it. Okay. So I'm going to put under Ron will, will clean up after the pup, and Blake will, oh no, I bet all of you at home were like, no, Miss G, you're messing up. I did. I wrote that in how they are the same. That is one way they are different. I'm so sorry if you wrote that with me. If you did, just change your line to be above it or whatever, but I'm going to fix it. Will help clean up after the pup. And Blake said he will feed and water the pup. Will feed and water the pup. There's one more way that they are different. They both offer to do one other thing. Blake said he will pet the puppy, and Ron said that he will walk the puppy. So Blake said he will, what did he say? Pet the puppy. And Ron said he will walk the puppy. All right. I will be giving you a star on your paper to check and make sure that you've done what I've done. So do copy everything down that I have. Don't be trying to take shortcuts. The only word I want you to abbreviate or can abbreviate is pup. Just go ahead and write the rest of it out. If you have any questions on page 120, you can ask, but go ahead and do the rest of this on your own.